more buses.
Haga jingtmu banyak kun persya iki kambian ka Shillong Cantonment Board rengkat gejing atrelang bat ki Pulit jung ke East KHASI Hills kan penlong ya gejing curip haki Jingpahara ban lap iki caka bajur bha gejing khayi drok bat ki wei ki kambian kani gejing tmu ka kenthop ya gejing bu ya ki CCTV kamera hagi caka ba kongsan ban kampet bha gejing petngon keyboard senchar kidang bishar benia ru ya ki lat chingarap pisa ki bala ban yo kenthop ya ka pisa jong ka smart city ban bei tengka ya kani project ya kani ke jingtmu an pentrekam haki rukom baper da ka basdang shwa da ke jing curip ya ki caka ki ba khamdon jingma ki kan huan pahara ken penlong ya ke jing curip lang ban pentikna ya ke jing pentrekam ka ba paka ya kani ke project ka thong ka long ban kentiu ya ke jing shngan jing ki pat ba bat ban pentrekam ya ka an hapo ki caka ki ba hap hapo ke Shillong Cantonment.
Been multiple instances of drug trafficking, then issues of illegal activities going on in cantonment border areas, particularly those areas where the grey regions exist. So we, along with the SP city, Vivek sir is there, and also we are trying to incorporate the CO smart city. We got to highlight those hotspots where these activities are on peak, and these hotspots will be identified by police. And in the meanwhile, we will try to incorporate Smart City Fund or our own CAN board funds to install the CCTV cameras here.